Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. It's our general knowledge lesson. The topic of this week is plants and animals. Let's start our lesson with the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and the most merciful. First, look the learning objective. Enable the children how plants grow and change. Here are some vocabulary words for you. You have to read these words with me with the phonics. So look on the first word. First word is eat, seed. Word number 2 is root, fruits. Word number 3 is stem. Word number 4 is leaves. Here the sound of L and E is L. A has a long sound here. So we will read this word like this. Leaves. Word number 5 is plants. Word number 6 is tall. Word number 7 is big. Word number 8 is young. Dear children, do you know how do some plants grow and change? Let's find out. Most plants grow from a seed. Here is a picture of apple seeds. When you put these seeds into soil and give some water and sunshine to the soil, it changes into a seedling. When young plant came out from the seed, this situation is called seedling. Alright? Then after some time, it grows into an adult tree. Now here is a picture of an adult tree. This adult tree can grow flowers and fruits. Some of the flowers make fruits with seeds. Now dear children, in this way, plant grow and change. Alright? Here is a life cycle of a plant to understand how plant grow and change. These are the seeds of sunflower. When you put these seeds into soil and give some water and sunshine to the soil, it changes into a seedling. As you know, the young plant is also called seedling. When young plant grows, roots, a stem and leaves, this situation is called growing plant. Now here is a stem and these are the leaves. Now when this plant gets more taller, it grows into an adult plant. This plant makes flowers and the flowers make seeds. In this way, the life cycle can start again. A sunflower starts life as a seed. The seed has food for the young plant. This young plant is called seedling. The sunflower grows roots, a stem and leaves. It grows into an adult sunflower plant. The plant makes flowers and the flowers make seed, and the life cycle can start again. I hope you understand it. Now it's time to your class. So open your big science workbook, page number 36. First, you will write on the page date and day. On the left side of the page, you will write day, Monday. In the center of this page, you will mention classwork. On the right side of this page, you will write date, 18th January 2021. Come on, write date and day neatly. I hope you have done the date and day. Now look on the page number 36. There are two questions, question number 1 and 2. First, we will do the question number 1. Question number 1 is look, match and trace. What you have to do is you have to match the plant with its seeds. Now this is a plant of apple, so you have to match this plant with this seeds. So these are the seeds of apple, so they already match this plant with its seeds, and you have to trace over here apple. So because these are the seeds of apple. Now look on the picture number 2. This is a plant of sunflower, so you have to match this plant with its seeds. So where are the seeds of sunflower? Yes, in the picture number C. So you have to match picture number 2 with the picture number C and trace over here sunflower seeds. Alright. Now look on the picture number 3. These are the tomatoes. It's a plant of tomato. So you have to find the seeds of tomatoes. So where are the seeds of tomatoes? Yes, in the picture number A. So you will match picture number 3 with the picture number A and trace over here tomato. Alright. Now look on the question number 2. Question number 2 is look and read, draw arrows. Plant have a life cycle. This is a life cycle of a sunflower. What you have to do is you have to draw an arrows around this life cycle. Let me show you how you will draw the arrows around this life cycle. Now these are the seeds of sunflower. You will start draw the arrow from seeds to an young plant. Then after this young plant change into an growing plant. You will put arrow like this. After this, when growing plant has a stem and a leaves, it grows into an adult plant. In this way, you will put arrow, and again an adult plant have a fruit and a seed in its flower, and the life cycle start again. And in this way, this life cycle is complete. You will put the arrows like this. I hope you understand this lesson. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.